DatingKiller AI is one of the most talked about pieces of software recently released, but is it truly worth the hype? In this DatingKiller AI review, I'm going to break down 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know before diving into this AI-powered tool. Stick around because at the end, I'll share why this could be the best AI software you've seen in years. Or not. First things first, if you're new to DatingKiller AI, you're probably wondering how it works. It's designed to automate the process of online dating, helping you craft personalized messages, optimize your dating profile, and even analyze your interactions with potential matches. So if you're struggling to stand out or get meaningful conversations going, DatingKiller AI claims to streamline that for you. Now, one of the biggest selling points is its advanced AI-driven personalization. This software doesn't just generate generic messages or advice. Instead, it tailors its suggestions based on the profile you're targeting, the context of your conversation, and even the type of person you're hoping to attract. It's kind of like having a personal dating coach who never sleeps. The second thing to know is how easy it is to integrate. It works across multiple dating platforms. So whether you're on Tinder, Bumble, or OkCupid, DatingKiller AI can plug right into your profile and start helping out. There's no need for complicated setups, and the interface is user-friendly, making it accessible even for those who aren't very tech-savvy. However, let's talk about some of the potential drawbacks. One issue I found is that while the AI is impressive, it doesn't always hit the mark with every interaction. Sometimes the tone can feel a little too formal or robotic, which isn't always ideal when trying to connect on a personal level. So while it's a great tool for getting the ball rolling, it's not perfect and shouldn't replace genuine conversation. That said, one of the standout features of DatingKiller AI is its ability to optimize your profile. It scans your pictures and bio, offering suggestions to make you more appealing to the type of people you're trying to attract. Think of it as a marketing tool for your personal life. The AI takes your dating profile seriously, analyzing trends and behaviors to help you stand out. A really cool feature that I didn't expect is its feedback system. After sending out messages or interacting, DatingKiller AI gives you real-time analytics, letting you know what's working and what isn't. If you're not getting responses or having trouble keeping the conversation flowing, the software provides tips and tweaks to improve your chances of success. Now, for those who are looking to meet serious partners, DatingKiller AI also helps with long-term compatibility. It uses data points like communication styles, shared values, and interests to suggest potential matches that align better with your relationship goals. This isn't just about getting matches, it's about quality, and that's what sets DatingKiller apart from other dating tools. One important thing to mention is that this software is currently offering a free trial, so you can try it out without commitment. You can get started with the first link below. It's definitely worth exploring, especially if you're serious about finding quality matches and streamlining your dating process. To wrap things up, DatingKiller AI shows a lot of promise, especially for those looking to make online dating a little less time-consuming. It's a tool that helps you stand out and optimize your approach, but it doesn't replace the need for authentic connections. I'd recommend giving it a try if you're tired of generic responses and want to level up your dating game. Lastly, after testing thousands of AI tools, I've listed my top recommended AI software in the description below. You can try them for free and see which one works best for you.